Hey everyone, so this is the Amana side-by-side refrigerator that's out in our guest house. I believe this is an older unit, but despite being older, it still works great. You can see the close-up of the panel and the ice maker here. I don't think it's got water connected to it because the ice maker doesn't seem to work, but I'll check it. Give a look up and down on it here. Take a look in the freezer compartment. See the ice maker bay and box here. The storage it's got the standard little wire shelves. The evaporator fans down here at the bottom. It's got pretty good storage in the door too. Here's the ice maker bin. And we'll take a look in the fresh food compartment. Got the damper and vent where the cold air comes out of it. And storage shelves. These are glass. And you got the door storage here. So the unit works good. The fridge stays nice and cold, as does the freezer. Down here at the back is the condenser fan. You can hear it roaring away down there. And you can feel warm air that comes out this front grate here, as is typical on these older units. But anyway, this old thing, it just works. So that's our old Amana. So with that, I'll say thank you for watching, and of course, we will have more to come. So please hit that subscribe button to stay tuned. Later.